I think the thing that is so appealing about the lifestyle for so many people is that you become the master of your own time. They say time is like the one commodity that you can't buy, so it should be like the thing you're after most in life. There is no schedule in this lifestyle, there's no appointments to keep, so time just sort of becomes irrelevant. And I think that yeah, is why so many people gravitate towards it. Overcast day here in West Texas. Gonna make some breakfast, stretch a little, hit the road. Trevor is in the truck stop, showering and grabbing coffee. Let's do this. I know that Trevor is inside pooping because it does not take that long to get coffee, but it does take that long for men to poop. Lewis has to go out. This is usually Trevor's job, but he's still inside getting coffee. He's pooping. 72 pounds. Getting him back in is always the harder part. Belong there, Lewis. Alright, it's $5.19 a gallon.
We only got 19 gallons.
How much was it?
$100.
Jeez. On the road again. Really trying to get tacos in this spot we were told about downtown.
It's downtown.
The problem is that it's downtown and we're not really in a downtown vehicle.
Fucker comes right underneath us.
I mean, I think it's better to ask for forgiveness and permission. By the time somebody hooks us up to a tow truck, we'll probably be done. Right? Maybe we'll just get our tacos to go. Park right here so we have a quick getaway. Smart thinking. A lot of land in the middle of the city, so we're just gonna park here. Hello, how are you? Okay, we hear you have the best tacos.
Thank you.
We're gonna do 3 pollo. No, this is right. Maybe 1 carne taco and 1 of your avocado.
Pescado?
Yes.
I've got 3 pollo, 1 carnita.
That is good.
Lewis, some lobster and chicken. 10 out of 10 recommend this place.
I usually don't finish my plate. I usually don't like what people tell me to eat either. That place, incredible. 10 out of 10.
Coming for us, the irony is he's not coming for us and he's just like a random truck. That's funny. Well, the fridge came out while we were driving. It like slammed and I came back and caught it before it broke anything. And here's why. Okay, so after tacos, we're about an hour away from White Sands National Park. I was wondering if anyone was going to notice. We're parked at Cracker Barrel, where we are not going to eat tonight or tomorrow.
So are you a superhero or
We're
a super
just going to mooch off of their free RV parking and not buy any more pancakes. We're having a very naughty dinner. Literally pancakes and fried chicken. Hey, it's time to wake up.
You know, every morning I wake up really early and I'm silent.
I'm
Quiet.
bored and I need coffee.
And low. See, the temperature's like it seems like it's operating low.
Well, we're pretty close to where we're gonna park tonight, just outside of White Sand National Park. But we're overheated on the side of the road. We have to sit in the AC in the back
Miserable life.
and wait. How long are we waiting on the side of the road? We're like actually on the side of the road. Like the house is like shaking a little bit when a big truck goes by.
I don't know if it's a fuse, a relay, or if the fan clutch itself is just completely blown. It's the warmest it's been for us, and probably the greater elevation changes at this temperature. You know, we're just seeing things change. So we'll call Napa either tonight or tomorrow, get the motorcycle out, that's why we have it, and run to Alamogordo, which is the closest town, and either pick up those 3 things or we'll do it on Monday. Either way, whatever. That's part of what we're doing. That's lots of life.
Got quite a bit of run, like a couple weeks.
Those wants to see.
We decided to skip the crowd over the weekend at the national park, and thanks to some friends on social media, we were able to find a boondock spot about 2 miles from the entrance where we could overnight park for free. We're gonna go to the park before, well, right when it opens at 7. So we can try to beat the rush. Right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Easter eggs are not cheap.
What?
It's free.
Really?
Yeah, it said no fees or payments at this time.
Oh, it's national,
I thought that was last week.
well, maybe it's the whole month of April.
All right.
Okay, so Trev and I went wandering in White Sands National Park. All of the signs here say, do not wander. And we legit
Oh,
Are-
we're way off course.
got lost in the desert.
I mean, I've read stuff about desert survival, but I should have remembered it.
I feel like an idiot. I think we just found it. White Sands National Park is amazing. Highly recommend adding it to your list. But now, it's time to get some work done. Back to reality. Trevor is headed to an AutoZone nearby to pick up whatever it is he's picking up for the truck. This is my first time hanging out in the rig by myself. So, yeah.
Previously on the Real Housewives of New Jersey. Can't believe you're gonna be 75.
All right, Home Depot. Have me a wrench. That's the idea. I guess I win.
While Trevor's outside working tirelessly to fix the truck.
Alright, so I got it undone. Now I just gotta get it out. Okay. Step one. Actually, that was like step 4.5.
I'm cooking dinner, and you know, I'm not really like what you would call a cook. Anyway, the recipe called for brown sugar, and this was brown. Just put like a ton in, and it's definitely cinnamon. And I'm making spaghetti, and so, I don't think that's right. The whole kitchen smells like a Cinnabon dish, and I'm a little nervous that it's gonna be a problem. Should I tell Trevor, or like, see if he notices? Okay, you can try it now. And just tell me what you think.
Alright.
It's a new recipe.
You're not poisoning me. I'm not gonna burn myself.
What do you think? Oh no, is it really bad?
No, it's not.
What? Wait, what?
No, it's actually good. It's very Christmassy.
Oh my gosh, Trevor, that is not good. We're done with New Mexico. We're headed to Arizona. Why are we going to Arizona?
Arizona?
Yes.
2 reasons. Reason number 1, we're heading to Phoenix, heading to one of the best mechanics, diesel mechanics I've ever met. He's gonna do a once over on our motor. Heading to Flagstaff to get Northern Arizona Wind and Solar, who we bought our solar stuff through them. They gotta look at our inverter because I got a loose fan. And then Moab.